Good day. I am John Michael Garcia, freshman CP student at TIP Manila. And for today's presentation, we have the RFID-based students attendance system with SMS. With the use of Arduino Uno, GSM SIM900A, and MFRC 522 modules. What is an RFID attendance system? RFID is a comprehensive technology which is based on the development of computer and communication. Non-contact coupling of radio frequency signal through coupling element between the electronic tag and reader. RFID attendance system involves the application of wireless radio frequency identification or RFID in a attendance system which automates the process of attendance and time stamping. The attendance system automatically registers a student that he or she have entered the school and send an SMS to their respective guardians upon detecting the RFID tag. Also, RFID attendance system reads accurate ID information and correct attendance time stamping with high reliability. What does the system consist of? First, Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board that is based on the microchip 80 Mega 328P microcontroller. Arduino will be used as the core or heart of the system. It will be programmed and will give instructions to the connected modules to it. Next one is the MFRC 522. This is a highly integrated reader and writer IC for contactless communication at 13.56 MHz. This chip controls the antenna that is designed for reading and sending data by placing the RFID tag, or rather an NFC tag, since it only says 30.56 MHz. It can transmit power to the tag, and in return, the tag will be activated and will be detected by the reader. Then after being detected, it will relay the information to the Arduino Uno. Then the Arduino Uno will be give instructions to the next module. By the way, the student have to place his or her RFID or NFC tag near the scanner, like how it is done in beep cards. But a ultra high frequency or UHF RFID reader can detect tags without placing near to them, utilizing up to 3 GHz frequencies. So it will be fully automated, as it will have no human interaction at all, or the action of placing the tag near the reader, but in return it will be more costly. Also, this is already being implemented in universities abroad, and actually, Mapua University Library is the first to launch the UHF RFID in the Philippines, I think way back 2014. Okay, let's go back to the topic. Lastly, GSM SIM 900A is an ultra-compact and reliable wireless module that is complete GSM GPRS module in a SMT type and designed with a very powerful single-chip processor integrating ARM 926 EJ-S core, allowing you to benefit from small dimensions and cost-effective solutions. So, after the RC522 reads a tag and relayed it to the Arduino Uno, then this SIM900A will be instructed to send an SMS to its designated phone number. Also, you need to put a SIM card in order for it to run, and also sometimes you have to add a power supply to power the module, since it will not be provided by the Arduino. Okay, I'll just made it simple. So here we have a graphic block diagram. I actually just created this from Lucid chart, then paste it on here. So the first thing that will happen in our scenario is that the student or teacher will be given an ID card with an integrated NFC on it. It's like on what we have in our TIP IDs, and they work exactly just the same, but no SMS. Just time stamping for rewards. So the student will be placing his ID near the scanner. Then when they are close together, the tag reader, or the MFRC 522 will supply power to the RFID tag so that it will be powered and activated. Then, when the RFID tag has been activated, it will be detected by the tag reader. I almost forgot these RFID tags. Uy, let's go back. Nawala. Ah, wait lang po. Balik lang po natin. Okay, we're back online. Again, so na kasi tayo. So the student will be placing his ID near the scanner. Then when they are close together, the tag reader or the MFRC 522 will supply power to the RFID tag so that it will be powered and activated. Then when the RFID tag has been activated, it will be detected by the reader. Also, RFID tags have a unique code or number in it that will be transmitted to the reader once it was activated. So the accuracy of the attendance system is surely accurate. So when the identification that was detected by the reader has been gathered, it will relay this information to the Arduino Uno. Then some program or commands will run. For example, we have 30 students, and the tag codes are numbered 1 to 30, for example. Then we have these arrays where the names, course or section, and the phone number of the designated guardian is stored. So for example, student number 20 entered the school and used the tag reader. Then an SMS will be prepared. So we have a string template that will be used. And since we have arrays as an example of a database, if the student number is 20, then the 20th data will be called, where it will be the name of the student, its course or section. The number of its guardian will be pasted to the designation number of the SMS receiver. So after the SMS was created using arrays, then the Arduino Uno will send instructions to the SIM900A GSM module to send the SMS. Then the SMS will be received by the guardian of the student. This method is very useful in elementary schools and high schools as the parents can be informed what time did their child enter the school. And in college and universities, this can be useful, but I think a much advanced hardware should be used like Raspberry Pi and ultra high frequency RFID reader or UHF RFID reader, although it can be more expensive to create. Then that is the RFID attendance system. To conclude, actually, this automation system should be my capstone project last year, but sadly, it was not approved due to the development cost. And even though the hardware being used are already the cheapest that can be bought in the market, but at least they said it was a good idea or project. Since I have quite knowledge relating, since I have quite knowledge relating this automation system, what I can recommend for those who are trying to make one is that use a long-range RFID reader, at least 1 meter distance from the tag and reader, so that the whole process can be fully automated and the student or teacher will just have to walk past by the reader. Typically, they will be placed in entrances. So by this mean, students' time in and out of the campus can be recorded and logged. Second, I also would recommend to use or utilize Raspberry Pi for better internet access since the system would be much better if it uses MySQL database, where an admin can modify, register, and view the whole database of students, teachers, faculty, etc. But I think some UHF RFID reader has already some built-in RJ45 or Ethernet ports. And also some can be also connected in a Wi-Fi or access point. So Raspberry Pi will not be used for this automation system and will be directly connected to a computer. But if it uses a new HF RFID reader, uh, down sa na tayo. But if not, and then use of MySQL database is crucial, then Pi would be a better than Arduino. Anyways, thank you for watching this video.